So, welcome guys to another episode of our YouTube tutorial. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a grand chase online banking website. Alright, now before we proceed, you need to get access to your cPanel. Alright, so you can see I'm already on my cPanel. If you don't know how to get access to your cPanel, which is your control panel, you can go back to my videos to watch how to get access to your cPanel, how to purchase your host and domain to get access to your cPanel. Now we're in the cPanel, we'll just head over to our file manager. Alright, head over to file manager, then you scroll down to public_html. Right, you click public_html, but now I'm having files here, so I'm going to create a folder for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll just click on create folder. I'll click on, let me say this should be bank 7, let me name it bank 7. Alright, so I'll click on create folder. Now I'm going to enter into the bank 7. Here is it. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to upload my files in this folder. Okay, now you guys can see I'm inside the bank 7 folder. Now I'll click on upload, then I'll click on select file. Then this is the file here. I'll just click on it and open it, and I'll allow that to upload. While it's uploading, we'll just have to stay patient and allow it to upload completely. And you must ensure it shows green. Once you see it shows green, you know it has been uploaded successfully. So you allow it to get to 100%, then you allow it to display a green. So our script has been successfully installed. As you can see, it has showed green. Right, now we just have to go back to our home. Alright, as you can see, this is the script and it's on a zip format. Right, now we need to extract the files on this zip. Right, now we need to unzip it. Now you just right click, then you scroll down, click on extract, then click on extract files. You see all the files are going to be extracted very soon. Alright, as you can see that these are all files, pages upon pages of the website. So you just click on close. Alright, let me refresh this. You click on reload, you reload here. Alright, you can see these are all the files. Okay, so what we need to do now is, first of all, we need to create our database. Now, how to create your database? You go back to your cPanel, then you search for database wizard. Ensure it's the wizard. Okay, then let me just say POO as the database, or POOK pool. Then you click on next step. Then let me I'll say Z. Okay, literally anything that you can remember, just use this for the database name and the database username. Then for the password, I'll click on password generator and copy this password. Right, I'll copy this password and put it on my notepad. Where's my notepad? Right, okay, so I'll paste that there, Ctrl V. Okay, so I'll click on I have copied this password in a safe place. I'll tick it and I'll click on use password. Alright, you can see it's very strong. Then you click on create user. Alright, your database and the username has been installed, have been created. Now you carefully copy the database username and the database name. Okay, you see the way I copied it? I just copied, then you right click and click on copy, and you come down to your notes and paste that as well. Ctrl V, you paste that as well. then you minimize, then you see accept all privilege. You tick on this box of accept all privilege to ensure you are giving access to all these things in the database. Then click on make changes. All right, so your database has been installed. Now let's go back to our file manager and download our SQL file. Okay, so to get access to the SQL file, just come here, you click on database. Okay, and that's not it. SQL. Okay, look at it here. Database SQL. The database is db.sql, right? So I'll just right click that and download. So it has been downloaded now. Okay, I'll go back to our cPanel. Go back to your cPanel, then you're going to search for php myadmin, right? So that we can upload our SQL file. Now this is the php myadmin. Click on it, then carefully locate the database we created. You know, we created the database username and the database name. Okay, we'll carefully look for the database name we created. All right, so let's wait for this to load now. All right, so these are tons of database name I already have on my cPanel. Okay, and I think this is the recent one we just created. Is it? Yeah, this is the recent one we created. So you click on import, then after clicking on that, you come here and click on choose file. Now this is the DB we downloaded, so you click on it. That's the SQL file. You click on it and click on open. You scroll down and click on import to import the files in the SQL file. So you just wait patiently for that to finish uploading. So guys, our SQL file has been successfully installed. Right, you can see them here. So the next one to do now is go back to our file manager. Alright, so go back to our file manager and you come to this folder. You can see that env. You right click, then click on edit, then click on edit again. Alright, so we are going to change the database details here. You can see these defaults. We are going to replace it with the ones we created. Right, and we're going to start with the database name. You come here, your notepad, right? You copy the database name, you copy that, then okay, you should be careful in this aspect. Control V. All right, then you copy the username, copy that too, then paste it here. Control V again. Then the last one is the database password. Go back to your note and copy this password. Control C. You paste it here. Control V. Okay. So let me check if there's any other configuration we need to do here. Alright, so this URL we need to change it to our own website URL. Okay, so where's our website URL? You go back to your cPanel. You can see this is our URL, right? primadroid.com. So and remember we uploaded it in a folder named bank. Let's check it out again. We uploaded it on this folder bank 7. So the URL is going to be primadroid. It's going to be primadroid.com/bank7. Okay, so you can also change this name here, but I'll just leave that like that. Then basically we have done with this configuration, so I'll save it. Now I'll search for primer droid, okay, slash bank 7. Let's see what we have done. Alright, it's loading. We just have to allow this preloader to load. Awesome, awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? It's so slick and unique, right? So it comes with a lot of things. You can see it has translator. You can switch to any languages of your choice. So um let's log in. Let's see how it looks. Let's go back and check for the a user demo. Okay, let's go back to bank 7 if we're going to see any user demo. All right, so um um I'm not sure if, let me check this readme file. Okay, I don't think it's here. I don't think it's here. But basically you can just create, right? You can just come here, click on online banking, then you create a user demo. All right, you can create your own. See, you just come on not enrolled, create an account and click there. Then you're going to fill in all these details and create your account. Okay, so if you need access to this script, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. The script is very much available and it's also affordable, right? So see you in my next episode of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please follow, subscribe and share, and also like this video. Thank you very much.